Welcome back to Polo Automobiles, the place where your automotive dreams come to life. And today, we have something absolutely wild, something that breaks all the rules and sets new standards. The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a street-legal beast born from track-focused engineering and dripping with American muscle attitude. This isn't just another Mustang, this is Ford's statement to the world, and it screams performance, style, and cutting-edge technology from every angle. Just one glance at the exterior, and you're met with a brutally wide body, low-slung stance, sculpted lines, and a front grille that looks like it's ready to devour the road ahead. Painted in an aggressive yellow with deep blue racing stripes running over the top, it commands attention like nothing else in the showroom, and its massive air vents, LED headlamps, and carbon fiber detailing bring out a level of sophistication and raw power that's rare in today's automotive world. Step to the side, and the Mustang GTD's profile looks like a predator ready to strike, with large forged wheels wrapped in ultra-low profile tires, carbon ceramic brakes peeking through, and an aero package that means serious business. The massive rear wing and diffuser aren't just for show, they're designed for real downforce, and when you look at this car from the back, with the quad exhausts roaring and signature LED taillights glowing, it's hard not to get goosebumps. But what really makes this car so special is the interior. A perfect blend of high-tech design and motorsport-inspired performance. You're greeted by a flat-bottom racing steering wheel, digital displays that give you every piece of data you could ever need, and carbon fiber racing seats that hold you tight as you grip the wheel and push limits. The materials used scream premium, with Alcantara, leather, and exposed carbon in every corner, and it all feels like you're in the cockpit of a GT race car, but one you can take on the street. Under the hood, it packs a supercharged 5.2-litre V8 engine, rumored to deliver over 800 horsepower, paired with a dual-clutch transmission that delivers shifts quicker than your mind can react. It's raw, powerful, and precise, with adaptive suspension and technology that makes it just as capable on the racetrack as it is on the highway. This Mustang doesn't just accelerate, it launches. It doesn't just corner, it dominates curves with unshakable confidence, thanks to years of racing development and real-world track tuning. Ford has created something that's not just a car, but an experience, a masterpiece that brings together everything we love about American performance with global engineering excellence. If you're a car lover, this machine will haunt your dreams in the best way possible. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Polo Automobiles for more epic content, and turn on the bell so you never miss what's next. Until next time, keep your passion in gear and your wheels on the road.